Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a firefighter, mini firefighter truck, which will not even look like a firefighter truck at all. Not at all. Well, I'm gonna show you guys what pieces you need to build it now. Here they are, the pieces. Not that much, but if you get this Lego set, it's in Dollar Tree. Toilet tin. I only know it's in toilet tin and Tiger right now. And here are the pieces you need. It will probably be best if you pause this video and then look at the pieces for the pieces that you have. You don't really need a Lego guy, which I can just put aside right now. Here he is, that little guy. Look, here are the pieces you will need for this truck. I bet you can kind of see him, but not anymore. There they are. Now, should we start building? Okay, let's start building now. Soon I'm gonna make a video on how to build this. Soon. And here's the instructions. Pause the video right now. See the pieces that you have. Okay, flip it over. And now there. This is what I said. It's probably best that you guys should pause it. Okay. I'm also soon gonna make a video on how to make this tow truck. Also, you're gonna need some string. But if you don't wanna make it like a tow truck, you can just take this off. That's all. Sorry, but okay. Let's start building. Okay. So you will need these two. Then you need this. Put this right here. Remember to always leave a little bit of space right here. And then right here. So now you always need one of these. Actually, well, not always, but here's this. Put that right here. Actually, the wheels are going to be put in last. Then get one of these. Then two of these guys. And now there, you put it right there. So you get a 2x3, which is one of these. Soon you start to get one of these guys. There, get one of these. I bet most of you guys have it, but not all. Put that right here. Soon you just get this, then this piece. Actually, no, you don't put that. Okay, you put this you actually put this right here. I just messed up right here. I bet some of you guys can hear my grandpa and grandma. Okay, so here's that. Soon you're gonna need to get one of these, one of these, and that. Put that right there. And of course, you will need one of these. Okay, then you put that straight onto the car. Now, let's build this thing, which is really easy. You just get this and that. Then, you just put it in there. And you put it on this right there. I don't even know what this thing even is supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be the light or something. Okay. Now, you put this piece right here on the back of these. Now, time to put the wheels in. Here are the Here it goes. There it is. Right there.